Okay, I'm gonna try something dangerous for fun.
I'm dialing 911.
Well, I have to do it. So, yeah, dial 911, Rondi.
Just the 9-1. I'll wait for the other one.
Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna pan out, but we'll give it a shot. Here's the situation: is my family, in their infinite wisdom, decided to drive. Let me just switch the camera here. Our lawn tractor with a completely flat tire. So, as you can see, there's quite a gap, and so the bead is completely broken, and there's no way to fill this tire. So I'm going to try an old trick where you squirt gasoline in there and light it on fire and hope the explosion seals her up. So I'm going to give that a shot. So as a rule, you always mark your gas canisters, old gas, with gas so that you don't mix it up with anything. And let's spray it in here. Oh, let's spray it into the come on. Oh, don't really want it as atomizing though. Let me get that into a stream and see if that works a little better. What the heck? Let's try this. Oh, there we go. Spray some in there. Hopefully that's enough, because I've never done this before, but I got a need. Okay, let it atomize a bit. Get this gas safely out of the way. This should be atomizing. So, where is the propane? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this seems like a pretty good angle I could get. Here goes nothing. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Must have all evaporated. I'll give it some more. Or this gas is really old. I don't know which. Let's see what happens. It's gotta be enough. Okay, here we go. Not doing anything. Crap. Is that water in there? No, give it some more gas, I guess. Pretty old gas in this this jug, so maybe that's the problem. Anyway, let's spin her around, see what happens. Well, it almost looked like it succeeded, but not quite. Let's give that another shot. Maybe it needs to be a bigger explosion. Man. That's a fairly good glug. Give her another shot. Oh no. Started the fire is all that did. What the heck? Maybe we need something with a little bit more up, a little bit more. Oh. Oh, she worked. Yay! All right. That was pretty cool.